DJM TV.
Hi guys, welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. This is your first time of joining us, a very big welcome. Do not forget to go a step further, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Now let's take you straight up into the main news. TINUBU go really do good for himself if he go fit support young person from the southeast to become president for 2023. In fact, Nigerians no go ever forget his good actions. This one na wetin one ogbonge oga for inside the All Progressive Congress dey advise am. This na still DJM TV Daily News Update. As everybody dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata on top the 2023 presidential elections, on top who go become the leader of this great country, Nigeria. One ogbonge oga for the All Progressive Congress, where they call Mr. Osita Okechukwu, wey also double as the Director General of Voice of Naija, don come as I call advice Bola Ahmed Tinubu say e go dey best if Bola Ahmed Tinubu support somebody from the southeast. Say as a matter of fact, that one alone go make sure say Nigerians no ever forget the name Tinubu. He go carve a name for what they call gold. And all of us know say gold now what they last long for. In fact, for gold not they spoil and gold they increase in value. He just say if Oga Tinubu go fit drop in ambition to become president for 2023 to support anybody from the southeast, especially young person, say Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu, his name go there for gold letters for the hallmark of leaders of Nigeria. People when I say people who don't make Nigeria great, they go dey call Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Oga Osita Okechukwu will be one of the founding members of the All Progressive Congress. Talk this one for inside one better ogbongelicious interview when he get to do with the 2023 elections, and the way people they come as a year and there to say we want contest, we want contest, we want contest, we want contest. This one is still DJM TV Daily News Update. So on top the ogbongelicious interview, when they interview Oga Osita Okechukwu, he say he not really dey very disappointed when he hear say Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu don talk say na his life ambition to become president of Nigeria. As a matter of fact, him be don talk before for inside December for 2022 before say make Bola Ahmed Tinubu support small person, young person, youth from southeast. He say but he no go fit dictate to Bola Ahmed Tinubu wetin he go do with his life. After all, he na oga kpatakpata of them all. And now with Tinubu support, now APC take come into power for 2015. Say without his support before, and the support of people like Rotimi Amaechi, Bukola Saraki, say All Progressive Congress for not come into power for 2015. Say well, as he did like this, so Bola Ahmed Tinubu decide to run for presidency. The only thing when you go fit do now to persuade them. Pet Santla say, bros, Oga, we know ya, but this matter for make sense where if you go fit support person from southeast. He said the kind support will be like say Bola Ahmed Tinubu go get. If he decide say, okay, fine, I not contest again, I go support anybody who come from southeast will decide to be president for inside the All Progressive Congress. Say forget that thing. Oga Tinubu name now gold until they write name now all over the country. When people hear Tinubu, they go double for the guy, they'll cut cap for us. Say sure, this guy you be real leader. Based on say, as APC like this now, so they're supposed to do using this matter of zoning. Say although APC not sign matter of zoning, say but it will really make sense if APC using this matter of zoning. He said because in the first place now zoning even make APC win for 2015. Say he don stay for north for a very long time, and he know say every region of the country get person or persons or group of persons where they extremely qualified to become president of the country. Not only one region, now go just produce president. Say no, every region, north, east, south, and west of the country, they get capacity to rule Nigeria. On top of the interview, we blessed DJM TV Daily News Update Monitor. Oga Osita talk say, I see they like this, so he like anything go make Nigeria come together. Shey the reason the matter. He say as e dey so, if we really reason am well, say the former vice president of Nigeria, Dr. Alex Ekweme, Solomon La, Abubakar Remi, Umar Oshikafi, Adamu Siroma, and Dr. Olusoya Saraki of a blessed memory. All of them come together and say, for the interest of the country, to stabilize Nigeria, to save Nigeria, e go better say if there is zone presidency. You understand? And this zone is that many states can even adopt, say, okay, they go the zone governorship to different regions. Say all this one, they make country they stable. All this one, they make country, they better. And it was say yes, so say division not there for inside APC. Sake of say Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they do everything together to make sure say they go fit day together. I say if you really reason the matter well, it go better if Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu allow Southeast become president. Make him forget about presidency first. Say as it is, so if president of the country come from Igbo side, after 8 years, Yoruba go rule again. After 8 years, Hausa go rule again. After 8 years, South go rule again. The thing go dey go, e go dey turn. Say this one go make sure say everybody love theirself. Say as in the reason the matter, so in they see Yoruba and Igbo as enemies of each other, or people wey dey compete, they do unhealthy competition, like what you call am. Say everybody for this country get the capacity to rule, and the matter and the fact say the APC Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, or Anes the Indigo, don tell Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu say we no go support you, but if you come stand behind anybody from Southeast, we go support that person. Say go to show say Bola Ahmed Tinubu supposed to obey that rule wey God put for ground, say do unto others wetin you want make others do to you. Love your neighbor the way you take love yourself. This na still DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel where they give you ogbonge news on top betalicious matters wey dey shele for inside obodo Naija. We don hear matter wey be like say Oga Osita Okechukwu talk, say na only advice im give Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu make he support somebody from the Southeast. Not be say they force am, not be say if he really tell Oga Tinubu wetin to do, say but the right thing to do wey go make Bola Ahmed Tinubu national heroship legit the more. Na if the guy go fit just say, okay, I not do again. Make person from Southeast come. Make he choose anybody wey dey contest from Southeast. Make he throw a weight behind them as kingmaker when he say he be. So Osita doesn't have advice in they give. Many Nigerians don't react to this. First of all, they say for even somebody for APC to come aside, call advice Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say make him no contest. Say that one going a long way to show. Say it's even inside the All Progressive Congress, go. Some set of people they be like say they believe say go better if Bola Ahmed Tinubu no contest. Why some other ones come and say Osita Okechukwu na betray? I don't say where they talk say make Ahmed Tinubu no contest. Waiting he never they tell us. Well, you get one or two things we need to tell us, so we as Nigerians need to know. He and Bat so they don't they quarrel. A big problem they ground. Many things they. But what Osita Okechukwu they talk be say if Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu no contest, in name they go the right hand with good for inside Nigeria. Many people don't still support them. Many people don't still say not true. This thing where the Director General of Voice of Nigeria talk now real matter. If Bola Ahmed Tinubu no even contest at all, he go say and say in national relevance, he go there on a very high side. He go maintain in national relevance for a very long time. As in, he go get say for inside Nigeria more than when he even get now safe. Say so he go better the guy listen to the many advice where they call. Say because person where they listen to advice, the person need they ever the loss for road. So my Bungalicious person, I bet shook mouth put me to tell us what you reason on top this matter where we carry call give you for your front. Drop your comment for comment section for button.
Thank you so much for staying with us till the very end of this video. Do not forget to go a step further if you've not done so. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, do not forget to like and share this video. Do follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also check out our website at www djmtv.news. Guess what, guys? From the 1st of August 2021, DJMTV offers you an opportunity to report your event from where you are on our channel. We call it Report Yourself to the World. You want to be a part of this great program? Then please click on our bio, send us a message, and we'll give you details on how to report yourself to the world. Till I come your way again with another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Lawuru Favor.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJMTV. 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 DJMTV.